In this video, we are going to talk about how to build an email list from scratch. As you know, email list is the key, the asset, and the hardest part of running a healthy business online. So, in order to build an email list, you need a lead magnet. So, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a piece of content. It could be 5 pages, 20 pages, or 30 pages. It doesn't matter. But what is important is to write something that has more value, tons of value, and you are solving a problem. You are not only giving away or lead magnet as content, but you can give a software a free video, 30 minutes or 15 minutes video that is exciting and drives more value, and then you can create a funnel and put this on the funnel to attract and get leads to this business. What you really need is to drive traffic to that funnel and get people to give you their email address in exchange for that lead magnet. So guys, let me show you what I mean in this on my blog and how you can do this. So this is my own blog where I offer a lead magnet the on the widget sidebar. So I give a free ebook in exchange for the email address. I show people if they want an automated secret system that top internet experts use to generate traffic, leads, and sales all day long. If someone wants to understand this, they have to sign up. Once they sign up, they will land on the autoresponder as I am using GetResponse. So I give them follow-ups each day. I send them a long and detailed newsletter where I explain them what they need to get this system. And also, there is one thing. As you scroll down, as you are reading this article, you will find this pop-up. Also, this is a very interesting. A pop-up appears after 1 minute of reading, so I organized this and offer people if someone was reading this pop-up's display and shows you the same headline to enter your email address, and you can enter the email address and receive the information. Another thing, as I said, is I offer this is called content upgrade. Once someone reads the article, he has to find something inside the content which is the same headline or anatomy secret system. If someone enters the email address, he will receive that content, that piece of my book. Another way to get leads is to use a call to action on the back end of the article. I put the image here, so it is important instead of putting an icon. Image is very important. It creates more curiosity and say this your business is real and it's not fake. So they know this person and how they receive your content. The article, the headline is also exciting with different colors, and it's important. And I'm sure you will get get the leads while your offer is free. I think there are many ways to build an email list, but the most important thing to build an email list is to drive traffic. There are many ways to drive traffic to your funnel and to your blog. You can use organic traffic, guest posting, Facebook groups, forums, and also there are some amazing strategies that I will show you now. Before you create your lead magnet or a funnel, just make sure what is your niche and how breaking down that niche can put you in a lucrative business. For instance, 25 headlines hacks, a cheat sheet for writing blog posts that go viral. If you want to write a lead magnet in this niche, it is important and you will get more traffic. Another lead magnet. So uh, once you go to Google and enter the keyword squeeze page, you will understand there are many squeeze pages of successful internet marketers like this. 125,000 visitors per month. This is a good headline. Also, some make money change the world. Learn the one secret about cool tablets, computers. So your lead magnets needs to be about something you are passionate about, something which is profitable. You can target people who suffer from acne. They have a problem and they are unhappy, uncomfortable, and distracted. If you show them and solve their problem, they will show you their email address and then buy your product. So the first step is to think about what is your lead magnet and then create that lead magnet and provide more value. Then focus on creating your funnel where you can advertise and get more traffic to convert it into leads, subscribers, and customers. And the next step is to go to Google and enter the keyword magazines and enter on the images. Once you enter on images, you will find bunch of worldwide magazines in several nations. And if you want to go deep, you need to write here between brackets weight loss. For instance, in weight loss we can see now, we can see drop to sizes, lose weight, feel great. So we can find good headlines, easiest diet every day, if ever, how I got thin. Now you can pick your headline and go and create a high converting sales page and a funnel to get people to give you the email address. You can create the cover using Fiverr, Upwork, or design it yourself using Photoshop or Pixlr. And then after that, you can write the content about this. It's going to be 5 pages, 20 pages. It depends, but what is important is to solve a problem. If you are in the internet marketing niche and want to build a buyer's list, then I'm sure Warrior Forum is a great platform for you to build a buyer's list and sell. The most important step is to go to Warrior Special Offer and then sell your mini product. As you can see, Warrior Forum, well, I've installed this extension Similar Web on my website, which shows you how much traffic a website is. So Warrior Forum monthly visits is around 300,000 visitors a month from different countries: United States, India, UK, Brazil, Morocco, and traffic sources and similar size. Now we can see there are thousands and thousands of people on the platform. Warrior Special Offer is a place where is a marketplace where you can sell offers. You can go and create a piece of mini product and then sell it on the platform. You can price it at $10, 20 or $27 or 17 and sell it. You can click on launch your offer. Once you are selling the offer, you are getting buyers to your list. I've done this and I'm sure it's going to build your list and get you the first customer, the third, and build your list. You can sell a low ticket offer and build the list also. Also, ClickBank is the largest marketplace for selling offers and products. If you know how to sell products here, I think you are in luck. If you want to get customers, you need to launch your offer on ClickBank. ClickBank alone has around 2 monthly visitors, 2 million a month, and over 100,000 affiliates who can send you traffic to your webinar, opt-in page, landing page, sales page, and sell you more using different ways, multiple sources of traffic without doing anything yourself. So I'm sure if you can do this, launching your own course on ClickBank, you will build your list, get traffic, leads, and sales automatically. Why ClickBank? ClickBank has a lot of traffic and people who can send you traffic without doing anything yourself. Transparent product marketplace, reliable payment, top performing offers, high quality products. You can do this to succeed online. Also, you can use GBZoo and Warrior Plus to promote thousands of quality products and earn a good amount of money, as they have good sellers in this worldwide uh, for affiliate marketing. I hope, guys, you learned how to build your list. There are many more strategies I show you. You can use Facebook groups, YouTube marketing, and you also have to use your own skills to help more people and solve their problems to build the email list using your own content and your own expertise to build a good list. In the next videos, I will show you more ways and effective ways to build an email list. You always need a specific strategy to build an email list. If you have your own software or a product that you think is unique and a new opportunity to help people, then it's important to start creating your own offer and get more traffic, build a buyers list, and get the customers and sales automatically. So guys, I hope you learned something in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget I give you my offer for free in the description. It helps you and shows you how to grow your list and also how to get traffic, promote offers, and how to attract affiliates to your list. So see you guys. Bye.